There's been a lot of rumblings of more FUD coming out about Ethereum and proof of stake and what could contentiously be happening. That's what we're talking about today. Hopefully I will debunk it for you. Welcome to Crypto Tips. If you guys are enjoying these videos, please hit the like button, hit subscribe, and check out the CT Club down below. There's a link for it in the video description. We're telling our members everything that we're doing with our cryptos, which ones we are investing in, if we are waiting to buy back in, which altcoins we're getting into for the long-term bull run up ahead. A lot of stuff going on there. So, Ethereum is moving to proof of stake. Do you know who will be the most financially disturbed by this? Are the miners of Ethereum currently. These guys are getting paid to mine Ethereum. Ethereum is moving to proof of stake, making miners irrelevant. So they're going to lose out on their income in that way. So there's one particular Ethereum miner in China who's now being very vocal about how he is going to fork Ethereum and keep it going as proof of work, and it's going to have to be competing against proof of stake, and good luck proof of stake. He also has the backing of, wait for it, Justin Sun. Can we all just go ahead and agree that Justin Sun is kind of scammy? So anyway, Justin Sun owns the exchange, the centralized exchange Poloniex, and he has come out very publicly by saying that Poloniex will be supporting, if this happens, the new Ethereum proof of work cryptocurrency. Here are some facts that we all need to know. If there is a contentious hard fork and intentional split of the blockchain to have another competing blockchain, we've seen this already with Ethereum, actually, Ethereum and Ethereum Classic. We've seen it with Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash, and between Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Cash SV. And what's going to happen with this contentious hard fork is that they're going to have to create a new cryptocurrency and run basically a new version of that blockchain. So they're going to be competing with the network effect and with the development team that is going to be staying with this proof of work blockchain of Ethereum. So for anyone who's worried about, is this going to bring down Ethereum or not? No, this newly created forked chain, they're going to have a big bite to chew trying to compete with Ethereum, because Chainlink recently has come out saying that they're going to support Ethereum proof of stake. They're not going to be moving to any proof of work blockchain. And Ethereum and Vitalik Buterin, of course, is saying that a lot, if not all, of the projects on Ethereum will move to the proof of stake blockchain. Not to mention the fact there's this little thing called a difficulty bomb, which is designed specifically to discourage a contentious hard fork. A difficulty bomb basically makes the mining of that blockchain incredibly difficult, to the point where it is no longer profitable and an unviable option for any miner. However, these miners plan to deal with that is going to be seen. But if they can get past that, their next hurdle would be then to compete with Ethereum. Not to mention, anyone here who wants Ethereum to stay proof of work, please go invest, work, build on Ethereum Classic. Those guys, in my humble opinion, are the original chain of Ethereum. What happened with the DAO-zaster in Ethereum back in 2015, 2016, the original hard fork, what happened was Ethereum actually rolled back the blockchain to undo the hack, whereas Ethereum Classic, mistakes are made, lessons are learned, they're going to keep things honest and immutable. So if you guys are really a fan of Ethereum being proof of work, and you want to contribute to an actual viable option for that, definitely take a look at Ethereum Classic, much more than whatever this Ethereum proof of work or Ethereum W or ETH coin is going to be. Regardless, if this contentious hard fork does happen, it's going to cause a lot of confusion with investors. So I encourage you all to don't make any rash decisions. Don't go one way or another. Just wait until the smoke clears, what's actually happening. I think we will all find that Ethereum will continue on with proof of stake, and if not everything that is being developed on Ethereum proof of stake will continue on that way. And we're going to see this Chinese miner and Justin Sun, just trying to make a buck, to create, mint a new coin and get people to invest in it and probably lose a lot of money. Because look, I mean, no offense to Bitcoin Cash SV, Ethereum Classic even, they're not exactly thriving. They're not the #2 cryptocurrency. They're not the #1 cryptocurrency. So keep that in mind as well. It's going to wrap it up today, guys. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Heidi. I'll see you again soon. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys.